at this old man Denninger getting rid of the chickens.
Come on, baby.
Did somebody step on a duck?
Come on, you freaking thing. Jesus. All right, you animals.
Let them be free. Here they come.
Watch these guys. Do these guys.
Yes, go.
Right, you gotta do these guys. You stand, get it like stand back so you can get a good view of the Chunnel.
Oh yeah, they come ripping down.
They come ripping down. Pretty funny. Oh shit.
The Chunnel.
Chunnel.
The Chunnel.
All right, here they come. Here they come.
Look at that, look at that.
One,
There they go.
4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Did you get that? Did you get that? Oh my god.
Oh man.
Right, this one you're gonna like because this guy, when he comes out, he comes out, he likes to friggin', he likes to mount his girl right off.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you're ready? He's right out here.
This guy?
Yeah.
Look at him. Now these are all the roosters?
No, see, look, there you go. See,
There he goes. He's all fired up.
Yeah, he is.
What's his name?
I just call him Roosty Roo.
Roosty Roo.
Roosty Roo.
Roosty Roo all fired up.
Yeah.
He doesn't care about the food.
No, he don't care about shit. Oh, quiet. Quiet. Oh my god, it's so funny.
This is the duck section over here. Swimming.
Kick out of that.
Yesterday there was a big bear walking through the woods up here. It was the old Denninger duck farm. There he is right there.